Here we go. We have a question overlapping intervals. So you have given an array, a 2D array, where ith element is the starting point and the ending point. Our task is to merge all the overlapping intervals. So we have this, and in this 1 3 and 2 4 is merging, is overlapping. So we have to merge it to make 1 and 4. Then we got 6 8 9 10. So 6 8 is not overlapping with 9 10. So this is separate. Then we have this. So this is unsorted. So let's try to visualize it. We have we got 6 to 8. So then we got 1 to 9. Then we got 2 to 4. Then we got 4 to 7. So so this is overlapping, and our answer is 1 to 9. So that's all we got. So let's try to build the approach. So we have this. The array can be unsorted. So we have to sort it in ascending order. But either but we have to decide either with ascending order, or should we go with descending, should we go with ending point. Either we can go it with starting, or we can go it with ending. So let's try to first sort it according to ending. So if I sort it according to ending, so this is already sorted according to ending. So now let's try to find out. We got first, we got 1 and 2. Yes. Then we got 3 6. So 3 6 is not overlapping with the previous answer. So then we got 3 6. So then we have this. So this is overlapping with the previous line. So then we have to update it. So we will update it. We will update our array. We got 2 here because one line is 3 to 6, and our next line is 2 to 13. So we have to update it with minimum of starting point and maximum of ending point. So minimum of starting point is 2, maximum of ending point is 13. So that's all we got. Next we have 16 and 18. But as you can see, this is not our correct answer. We got 1 to 2, and then we got 2 to 13, then we got 16 to 18. So these two lines also need to merge. So let's try to sort it with the starting point. So ending sorting will not work. Let's try to find out with the starting sorting. So let's try to sort it with the starting point. So what we got? If we sort it according to starting point, first we got this, then we got this, then we got this, and let's erase this. We are sorting it according to the starting point, then we got this. So now let's find out. This is the first subset. So let's first add this into the list, then we can easily start with this. So if we start with this, we have to check. First is 1 2, then we again go to 1 2. So is it merging? Yes, it is merging. So we can easily detect and we can easily change. So this is merging with this, so it will just change. Next we have this. So is it merging? How do we detect whether a new line is merging or not? So we just need to check if the new line starting point is less than or equal to previous ending point. So in this case, yes. So we just need to update. So we know this is starting. We have sorted according to starting. So starting already contains minimum. We just need to set the ending. So ending, let's find out the maximum of this value and this value. So we got 13. Our next line is this. Is it merging? We have this and we have this. The new line starting point is less than or equal to previous line ending point. Yes. So this is merging. This is overlapping. So we just need to find the maximum starting point. So we will take the maximum starting point within this and this value. So the maximum starting point is 13 still. Then we got this. Is the new starting less than or equal to previous ending? No. Starting is greater. So we just take the current line. We just take the current line. So that's all we got. Now it's time to code this. So first we need to sort it. So we sorted it according to the starting point. Then we need to return a list of array. We just add the initial line. Then we just use for each loop. If the new starting is less than or equal to previous ending, so this line is overlapping, we need to find out our maximum. So I am just changing the previous line ending point. So the previous line ending point should be the maximum of already previous line ending point or the new line ending point. If this is not the case, the line is not overlapping, means the line is a new line, so we need to consider it. So I considered the new line and just return the answer. Now let's submit this. And now let's talk about time and space complexity. As we are sorting, so the time complexity is n log n. Space complexity in the worst case can be order of n if no line is overlapping to each other. And we have solved this. So we have also met the expected time and space complexity if we don't include the return answer. So the space complexity will be order of 1. Code is provided in the description box. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.